Amid the ruins of a Europe devastated by World War II, a dream took shape in a modest workshop in Gmünd, Austria. Ferry Porsche, son of the legendary Ferdinand Porsche, wasn't looking to create just another automobile. His vision was to bring to life a masterpiece that would forever revolutionize the history of the sports car. The year was 1948, and while the world was trying to rebuild itself, a small team of craftsmen was beginning to forge the first chapter of a legendary story. The Porsche 356, born of necessity and shaped by passion, would emerge as the first automobile to bear the Porsche name on its emblem. What made the 356 unique was not just its design. It was the philosophy behind every detail. Each body was hand-hammered from aluminum, a process that required up to 500 hours of meticulous craftsmanship. No two 356 were exactly alike. Each was a testament to the dedication of its creators. The heart of the 356 beat with a four-cylinder boxer engine, a compact engineering masterpiece. Although it shared its DNA with the Volkswagen, Porsche engineers transformed it into something completely different. Each piston was individually weighted and matched, seeking a perfect balance that would translate into exceptional performance. The evolution of the 356 was constant. From the Pre-A to the 356C, each iteration represented another step closer to perfection. The A model introduced the one-piece curved windshield, while the B raised the bar with suspension improvements and a significant increase in power. The numbers told a fascinating story. From the modest 40 horsepower of the first model, the 356 evolved to 130 horsepower in its Carrera 2 variant. But the real magic was not in the numbers, but in how the car delivered its power, with a smoothness and predictability that made it as docile in the city as it was fierce on the track. The 350 SAX's cultural impact was immediate and lasting. From Hollywood to the racetrack, the car became an icon of style and performance. Even Janis Joplin succumbed to its charms, commissioning a 356 Cabriolet to be painted with psychedelic motifs, turning it into a rolling work of art. The body panels were fitted with such precision that it was said that a drop of water could not pass between them. This obsession with quality set a standard that would define the brand forever. The braking system evolved with each model, culminating in the 356C with four-wheel disc brakes, an innovation that significantly improved safety and performance. When production of the 356 ended in 1965, Porsche had built 76,313 units. Each one was a testament to Ferry Porsche's vision and the dedicated work of the craftsmen who built them.